I'm saying is I don't think I got it at the right angle, Pat. It's not that I'm not getting it. It's just that